Hey everyone, Shane here. I just wanted to do a quick video on a trading strategy that would suit people that didn't want to sit in front of the computer and, time their entries day in, day out. So this is for more like long-term holders where people that don't have experience in cryptocurrency can enter in a safe manner and also exit with profit. Because I know in 2017, I was one of these people where I'll turn like $1,000 into, over $50,000 in a couple of weeks. And I didn't understand. I was just literally throwing darts at a balloon and just going, yes, I've made some money, right? So I don't want that to happen to you guys. And if you don't want to learn how to trade, this is just an easy way to not confuse yourself and not complicate things. And you can potentially make a little bit of money as well, right? So I highly suggest, if you don't have any cryptocurrency background, this is an unregulated industry. There's a lot of scams. So please stick to the top 20 coins or even the top 10 coins, because they've got a lot better reputation than these coins that have just been, made up. And yes, they might have bloody 10,000%, but if you're a mum and dad investor and you don't have much money, and you put like $5,000 into this coin that you don't really know much about, and it goes to shit, and you've lost that money. It could have been a holiday or something like that. So I highly recommend just sticking to the top 20, even the top 5, right? Top 5 coins. And how to find the top coins, the blue chip coins, I guess you could say, to invest in, is a website called CoinGecko. So www.coingecko.com. And this has literally every single cryptocurrency that's, known to mankind. And you can go to, your DeFi coins, markets, all that sort of stuff. But for now, let's just keep it simple and stick to the top 20. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. This is a stable coin. So, it doesn't move much. So don't worry about Tether, XRP, and then the list goes on. So you just, stick to the top 20. You can do your own research about them. It's up to you. But my point is how to enter on these coins for the long term. And as, like, for example, Ethereum at the moment, for me, oh my God, what's going on here? I don't like it, right? Because at the moment, for long term, I don't know if this is going to keep going down. So I could get a better entry down here. But what I'm looking for is these 3 lines here. They're called EMAs. So the 10, 20, and 200, they're just moving averages, okay? I'm also looking on the daily chart. So this is my long-term holds. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at the EMA. So you can go to your indicators up here on tradingview.com. It's a free site. Yeah, you're going to get jammed with ads on there, but for someone that just wants to, look at coins and go, yep, happy days, tradingview.com, you don't have to pay for it. So you just type in moving average, and then this one here. So you just click on this 3 times, and it will come up here. So EMA, you'll have 3 of them. And then you just go to settings, you go to inputs, and you just type in 10, 200, and 20. But what we're looking for is, so this big red one here is my 200 moving day average. So this is the average price over 200 days. And the theory behind this is, if price action is under this, price should still be going down. So these lines will continually just intersect. See how you can see these? They're just continually intersecting with each other. So I stay out of trades, especially if I'm not leverage trading. Leverage, you can make money if it goes up or down. Spot trading, you can't. So I would wait for an optimal position, and that would be for literally price to be above the 200 EMA. Okay. So that's all you're looking for. And then your 10, my green line here is my 10 EMA. So this is your 10-day moving average. and the other red line, which I'll change because I don't want to confuse you. How's that? Blue, done. Done, blue. So that's the 20-day moving average. So once price gets above this, the green line, you can see here, price is above the green line, right? But I'm just happy for price to get above this red line. And this is where I would enter for spot because it's just long-term hold. I'm not going to sell. So now, without knowing any trading knowledge, you could literally just ride this all the way up until price breaks under. Okay. That's as simple as that. So, oh my God, wrong one. Price range, there we go. So if you entered there and you close there, you're still making, you know, a good 30% on your money. Yes, you've missed all this, but if you don't want to know how to learn how to trade patterns and figurations and reversal patterns and stuff like that, 30% of this of a trade is amazing. You know, you chuck in $1,000 on this and you've made 30% on your money, you've made $300, right? So let's just go to, you know, another one, Litecoin. So this is a coin that I'm looking at right now because I can see, you know, the two shorter term EMAs. What's going on here? The two shorter term EMAs have crossed. Now you can see that Litecoin has sort of respected the 200 moving day average. It's gone up, acted like a magnet, and then it's pushed back down, right? So this is where we got to wait for that confirmation for this to basically break above. Where are we at? Oh my God. Yeah. You really just want to sort of see that break above, and then you would enter back there, and then this would start to potentially go up. Yes, you might get a bit of a whipsaw on that, but if these start to whipsaw, you know you're in like a consolidation. But to keep it very basic, when price is above for a spot, I would enter. So for example, for here, you've made another 25%. Yes, you've missed, you know, 60%, 70% on your trades because this is purely not knowing anything about trading. It's just using these lines. So you've just made, you know, 25% on your money. Now, if we look at Bitcoin, this is how it can go. Look at that, absolutely incredible. Knowing nothing about trading, price has literally just gone above the 200 EMA on the daily time frame. Look at this. You've just made 130% on your money, right? How easy is that? Without knowing nothing about trading, 130%. Now, you know, this is looking so parabolic. We've come to the top here. So, you know, I'm expecting a pullback. We're pretty far away from the 200 EMA. Like I explained earlier, that this is like a magnet. Price loves to come back to it because it's an average. Price always comes back to its average. It's just a matter of when. Now we've pushed so high above it. It's like, what are we, like nearly 60% or something like that? Yeah, like 64% above its 200-day moving average, which is insane. So yeah, Bitcoin's just a beast of its own, but it's you know, I want to see a pullback on it for sure. But you know, with FOMO kicking in and dumb money coming into play right now, this could just go out of control. But however, you want to be getting in as close to this red line. So say if you've come in and you've missed this entry, you just wait. You wait to this price to come back down and close to this 200 EMA and just jump in. Right. So if you 130% on your money, easy. And you just keep going, like, just let it keep going until it breaks underneath this 200 EMA, jump out. So that's a very basic trading strategy. When price is above this, jump in. When price is below it, exit. Thank you for watching. If you want to know anything else about trading, or if I can help you set up wallets, if I can help you, move money from one exchange to another, or teach you how to do that, I'm happy to help out. So, yep, give us a holler if you need to, and I'll see you soon.